Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito dough. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 3/4 of a cup of warm water. This easy method will help you create delicious, pliable tortillas perfect for your favorite burrito fillings. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master. Now let's combine everything. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, and baking powder. Make a well in the center, then pour in the warm water and vegetable oil. Use a spoon or your hands to mix the ingredients until a shaggy, somewhat sticky dough forms. Once it starts to come together, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface, preparing for the next step. Next, it's time to knead the dough. Work it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, which is key for pliable tortillas. Once kneaded, divide the dough into 12 equal portions and roll each into a small ball. Cover these dough balls with a damp cloth and let them rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period makes them much easier to roll out. Finally, let's roll and cook our tortillas. On a lightly floured surface, roll each dough ball into a thin, round shape, about 8 inches in diameter. Heat a dry skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. Cook each tortilla for about 30 seconds to 1 minute per side until lightly browned and puffed. They should be soft and flexible. For more great tips and deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.